What you're about to witness is extreme fishing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be good. I hope we get into a bunch like that. Hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of LT Outdoors on the Ice. Today we're hitting one of my favorite secretive spots that I will sadly never give out. I mean, we all have to have those special spots that we keep to ourselves, and this is one of them. But I have a surprise in store. It's a whole different ball game today, folks. I'm actually targeting steelhead, and we're going to see if we can get some steelhead through the ice. Should be fun. Usually I pick up some trout here and there, so we'll see what happens. Stay tuned, folks. Oh, there we go, guys. Not what I'm after. Not what I'm after, but you know what? Calm down. I won't get skunked. It's so hard to hang on to these. Brook trout are always, well, all species of trout are hard to hang on to, but especially in the winter, because everything's wet in the winter. There we go. Get you back in the water. Such a pretty fish, though. Here he goes. See if we get some more. Skip up. Oh, she's spinning good, too. Ooh, that's a big one. That's a real big fish. Oh, it's a pike. A little pike, actually. Yep, a little pike. I thought it was a big trout, but boy, he's got it swallowed. To try and get that out of there. Goes. Alright everybody, I wanted to show you real quick what I'm using today. I actually just caught another little brook trout, threw it back, and the GoPro, sometimes I hit the button and it doesn't record. I hate that, but anyways, I just wanted to show you. This is what I'm using today. It's the Forage Minnow Jig. And the reason I'm using this one is the hot orange color on the back. When I'm trout fishing, I mean any time of the year really, with any kind of lure, I like to use something with orange. That being said, it's because, you know, the main bait that people use for any kind of trout, salmon, steelhead, all that stuff is spawn. They like to eat the eggs, fish eggs. So, you know, you get the bright orange color, just like the fish egg. So I don't know, I like to use any kind of orange color when I'm fishing for trout, and it's been working today. That's the second one I've got on this jig, and you know, I had two big steelhead that you guys didn't get to see come in and whack at it, but they didn't get it. So I don't know, gonna sit here for a bit more. Hopefully something happens. Stay tuned, guys. Ooh, there we go. Another brookie. My hand's wet before I touch him. You don't want to touch trout with dry hands, folks, if at all possible. You don't want to get all their slime off of them. Get back up here. They can be tough. Calm down. Yep, grab that Northland Forge minnow jig. Try and get that out of his mouth. Last year I got a few of them hooked me pretty good. Come on, baby. There we go. Pretty fish right there. Get him back. Nice fish. See if we can keep that going. Alright everybody, another cool tip I wanted to show you guys today. It's something my dad actually taught me when I was a kid, and I haven't done it in years, but I decided to do it today, mostly because this tip up right here is not big enough for any of my tip up alarms. So what I do is I actually take one of those bells that you see at the bait stores. I use them for catfish, most people do. But yeah, I just clip it on the top of my flag. That thing goes off, you get to hear the jingle. Rattles pretty good usually, especially when it goes off hard. But yep, do that. Same thing with my automatic ice fisherman. I actually decided today to clip a bell on the second eye of that rod. I'll tell you what, that thing goes nuts when a fish gets on it. That bell just jingle, jingle, jingle. So yeah, there's my tip for the day, guys. Hope it helps, and keep those lines tight. Boy, that was a big hit. I don't think he's on there anymore either. Oh yeah, he is. Ooh, that might be what I'm after here. Nope. Gosh, what a crazy one. That thing had that thing going nuts. Man, them brookies can be crazy. That's a pretty one. Oh, he's been caught before. Something's bit him and tore his gill off. Cool. This beautiful brookie back in the water. There you go, buddy. On the automatic ice fisherman. Hey everybody, well I hope you enjoyed today's episode. We didn't get into what I was hoping for, those steelhead sneaky boogers, but I'll tell you what, we'll get into them next time. And hey, at least we got into some fish today. Hope you enjoyed it. It's always a blast getting into those brookies. So yeah, stay tuned guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I got lots more to come.